guys, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be planting. I'm going to cut myself off right here because I said peonies and peppers and I meant poppies and peppers. And to my credit, I have a double ear infection and my ears are clogged, so I am struggling now and in this video. But anyways, if I say peonies again throughout the video, just know that I mean poppies. To the cut flower garden space, but I saw another YouTuber do the solo cup method and I thought that I would try it. Usually every year I spread poppy seeds out in the garden and then like I never see them. Like I go and look for them, I don't see them, they don't come up, and if they do come up, I probably have mistaken them for a weed and went ahead and pulled them out. So I thought this year I'll go ahead and try them indoors, and then that way I know exactly what they look like and I don't rip them out of the ground or they just don't start or they get eaten by something. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so if you're using the solo cups to grow any kind of seed in, you want to make sure that you give your cup some drainage. And this is just what I do. I just go ahead and snip 2 holes, and you can even do it like on a bigger scale like that. While they're all there, let's see how many that got to. This one, well, I guess that didn't work. So go ahead and snip a hole into each one. Okay, so now all of my solo cups have, and I might actually do more than this, it just depends, because you know poppy seeds are super tiny, but I'm hoping to do 2 per cup. I don't need a ton of, I would love a ton, but I don't need a ton of poppies planted. I still might try to do some seeds in ground, I'm not sure yet, but I do know that I definitely want to have these guys growing. So let me get my tray right here. We'll go ahead and stick these guys on the tray. The only thing about using these cups is that they just fall over so easily. Like they're always falling over. And maybe I'll just do a full tray just to give it some stability. I've got 3 different packets of seeds here. These I actually got from Seedville, USA. This one is 1,000 mixed double Shirley poppy seeds. You probably can't see this, I don't even know what I'm trying to show you. The giant, 1,000 of the giant poppy seeds. Let me stop doing that. Okay, and then 250 peony mix poppy seeds. So I'll just do 1 row of each type. And where is my pen? Because I'm going to mark these. Okay. So this is going to be double Shirley. So let's go ahead and get some soil in these cups. These cups on here like this. Hopefully I do not drop these because that would be the biggest mess ever. Okay, So I decided to work smarter this time, and I watered these cups in prior to planting. Poppies are a surface sown seed, so you don't want to cover them with any soil. They need light to germinate and temperatures at 55 degrees or higher. So I'm just going to sprinkle the seeds on the surface, hoping to get at least between 2 to 4 seeds per cup. And then once I've got all the seeds on top of the soil, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with my spray bottle just to moisten those seeds up. And then I'm going to stick this under a grow light on my seed starting shelf. So these are the double Shirley poppy seeds. They're going to go on this side. So let's see what we can do to make this less crazy. These are so small. You know what? I wonder if that, but they're just so tiny. All right, let's see. Let's just do what we can do. Alrighty. This will be more than 2 seeds because these, I mean, they are the most tiniest thing I've ever seen. Definitely more than 2 seeds. Oh my gosh, they are microscopic. Now we're going to do the giant poppy seeds. Now these ones are a little bit bigger, a little bit more substantial, so maybe we can get 2 per cup. We shall see. I don't know about that, actually. Looking at them, they're just a darker color. There's 1, 2. Okay, so that was the giant poppy, and then now we're going to do the peony poppy. There we go. Get down there. So again, these seeds came from Seedville, USA. They were very reasonably priced, and you get a ton because they're so small. I'm sure it's hard for them to count these out. Alrighty. What we got? So I had to have a brief intermission, but now I'm back, and it is pepper planting time. So today I'm going to be starting this bell pepper grand mix, and then I'm going to try to start some habanero, and then some Thai hot chili peppers. I think these are Thai. These are big Jim chili peppers. And then I decided to throw in some lemon mint. I wanted to go ahead and get this started. And then if I have enough time, I might try these gray-headed cone flowers. So let's go ahead and fill up our seed trays. I'll put those seeds up here. All right. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with the peppers first. Peppers can take anywhere from 7 to 21 days to sprout, to germinate, and actually 14 to 21. So I probably could have started these last week, but oh well. They'll germinate when they germinate. Yeah. So anywhere from like 7 to 30 days, I would say, just given the environment and the seed type. But hopefully they'll germinate as soon as possible for me so I can have some nice sized plants to put out in the garden after the frost-free date. So I'm going to start with these big Jim chili peppers, and I'm actually going to do 2 seeds per tray, and they're going to have 1 tray each. Pepper done. Pepper are done. So now we need to do the lemon mint, which I'm going to do 2 trays of lemon mint. Herbs. So the lemon mint, you plant 1/16 of an inch down, full sun, start 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, which I'm close to that time, and germinates within 5 to 14 days. So I'm excited about the lemon mint because it is said to be great for drying, for teas, sauces, all kinds of stuff. So super excited this year to have lots of things to dry and store. I definitely want to work on creating my own tea, loose leaf tea. Okay, these seeds are super tiny. They're gonna get lost in this soil. Let's just see what we can do. Try to get, okay. These tiny seeds, man, they're so easy to overseed. I think it's just a given. When you've got seeds that tiny that you're going to overseed them. I'll do this too. There. Super tiny. Barely covering them. There. Oh, I'm doing 2 trays. There. Alright, so 2 trays of that are done. Let's get our 2 tags. Always dropping stuff. Alright. Last but not least is a gray-headed coneflower. I don't know how this will turn out. This should be a perennial. The last coneflowers that I grew were through the winter sowing method. Oh man. Okay. Let's just see. I don't even know like where's seed and where's not seed. So I'm just gonna, okay, I'll just spread some. I think this is like seed mixed with some seed casing. So I'll just sprinkle this around on top of here. I think I'll just do 2 trays of this. I don't want to take up too much space if these aren't going to germinate. This looks like a bunch of dust. Let me find some more. See if I can get some more seeds. I'll overseed it just in case some didn't have any seed, which I don't know. There we go. Here's my seed cover. I'll mix it up. There. Okay, hopefully we'll get some seeds out of that. Let me label it. Is it gray? Okay. Bingo! Now I need one more tag. Now I'm going to find one more seed to go into here. I'll be right back. So I decided to do one more tray of the ornamental kale. or flowering kale. So let's do that. Oops, that's too many seeds. Let me see, 1/8 of an inch deep. I'll just do this. Pop a seed, pop a seed. Okay. Pop a seed, pop a seed. Alright, you guys, so we've got everything planted. It's watered in. I'm watering from below instead of above so I don't disturb the seeds in their positions, because as you know, I don't really like to use moistened soil. I don't know what it is. It's just something about like the messiness of it, even though this is messy too, but it's something about like the wet. Anyway, it's a weird little quirk thing. But if you like to use moistened soil, feel free to do that. No big deal. There's no issues either way. It's your preference. Anyway, off of that tangent, so I've got the Big Jim chili peppers, Thai hot, habanero, Grand Bell pepper mix, lemon mint, gray-headed coneflowers, which the seeds for this were mixed in with like the seed casings and like dried bits from the plant. I got those seeds from my local library. So I kind of just like overseeded because I didn't know exactly what was seed and what wasn't. And then down here I decided, because I had one more left, to do another set of flowering kale. So I'm super excited about these. It's a little mix from what earlier when I was planting poppies, and it was supposed to be poppies and peppers, and now it's poppies, peppers, mint, coneflowers, and kale. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. These will go under the grow lights, the peppers and the mint and the coneflowers. Actually, all of these love full sun. I believe the flowering kale can be part sun. But yeah, once you plant these guys outdoors, they are all full sun plants. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions, leave them below. And bye!